Friends, welcome back to yet another episode of my Philippines series. I hope you've watched the other videos of my Philippines journey on my channel. If not, please do go and watch them and do subscribe and follow my channel. I visited Philippines, the beautiful country and its capital, Metro Manila, in the last month of 2024. It was a life-changing experience for me, and I stayed in the Metro Manila area of BGC. And here I am taking you to a walking tour of the BGC High Street in Metro Manila. Welcome to Bonifacio Global City or BGC, Metro Manila's shining example of modern urban living, a place where innovation, style and culture come together seamlessly. Nestled in the heart of Metro Manila, BGC offers more than just a place to live and work. It's a vibrant hub that blends sleek, futuristic architecture with wide tree-lined streets and green open spaces. From world-class dining to high-end shopping, BGC caters to every taste and lifestyle. Explore the countless cafes, restaurants, shops, or take a stroll along its vibrant streets filled with art installations and murals. Whether you are here for business, leisure, or a bit of both, BGC offers it all. Experience the energy of a city that never sleeps, surrounded by the best in innovation, entertainment, and culture. For people who are watching this video from India, this particular area, BGC Manila, is for high-end shopping. If you are coming to Manila or Philippines primarily with the motive of shopping, I'd recommend you to watch my two videos. One on Green Hills Shopping Center in Metro Manila and the other one is Divisoria Shopping Mall, which is famed for its wholesale market rates. So don't miss those two videos. Please do go and watch the video on Green Hills Shopping Center and Divisoria Shopping Mall, which are right there on my channel after you've watched this video. The BGC marketplace was lit up gorgeously in the run-up to Christmas and New Year. As you can see, it was thronged by hundreds of people who were experiencing the beauty, the culture, the food, the culinary and shopping experience of the area. After a stroll, I settled for this restaurant called Roadhouse Grill for my dinner. They had an attractive offer for customers. So if you eat worth 750 pesos, you will get a buffalo wing free when you come here to dine for the next time. So friends, as I finish my dinner, here's a request. If you have landed up on my channel thanks to the algorithm, I would request you to watch the other videos of my Philippines journey, of Metro Manila, of Natural History Museum in Metro Manila, and also the amazing island of Cebu, which are right there on my channel. Do go and watch those videos, and if you want, you can obviously subscribe and follow me for my rest of the experience that I'd be capturing through my travel journey. Thank you so much for watching this particular video, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. And yes, if you are watching this video from Metro Manila, please do leave a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. Thank you so much and have a wonderful year.